Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. As a beginner, I always used to struggle with placements and muddy eyeshadows, and I found this trick really helpful. So I thought, why not share it with you guys as well? So if you want to know what this trick was, let's get into the video. I'm first priming my lids with the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and I'm setting it with Sugar's Banana Compact Powder. For this hack, I'll be using a tape and placing one piece of it as an extension of my lower lash line and the other above my outer corner. For demonstration, I'll be using the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty, and I'll be picking up this deep violet shade Vortex with my larger blending brush by Real Technique and place it in my outer corner. Starting from the outer end, I'm just dragging the eyeshadow towards the middle of my lid. I'll be repeating this movement till I'm happy with the intensity. You don't have to worry about the neatness as the tape will take care of everything. Next, using this flat brush by ABH Cosmetics, I'm dipping into the shade Supernova and placing it right in the middle of my lid. I'm using a flat brush instead of my previous brush because I want more pigment payoff, and the flatter your brush is, the more pigment payoff you're gonna get from your eyeshadow. For my inner corner, I'm using the gold shade Gold Glitch with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics as I want more pigment payoff. And here I'm just blending the two eyeshadows in so that there are no harsh edges. To brighten my inner corners, I'm again using the shade Gold Glitch. It's time to remove the tape, and you can see how clean and defined the eyeshadow looks. I'm brightening up my brow bone using the shade Gold Glitch. Next, I'm lining my top lash line with the Norvina eyeliner with a nail art brush. If you want, you can do this step with the tape on as well. Very quickly, I'll be doing my base makeup and cleaning up around my eyes. For my lower lash line, I'm dipping into the shade Karma using my PAC brush in the style 126. To finish up, I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one is by Mars. And for falsies, I'm using the NY Bay lashes in the style High Volume. For lipstick, I'm first using the shade Tease by Faces Canada, followed by a nude pink shade Make Me Mine again by Faces Canada. And here is the finished look. Of course, you can create this using any eyeshadow of your choice. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. Happy Navaratri to you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.